In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate similar images with Ideogram AI. Whether you're looking to create a new design inspired by your previous work or refine a concept further, Ideogram AI offers a seamless way to remix your images. In just a few minutes, you'll have the skills to produce new variations with ease. First, let's start by logging into the Ideogram platform. If you're not familiar with where to go, just navigate to their homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. Here, Ideogram offers a unique way to browse and explore images created by the community. This is a fantastic way to get inspired and see the creative possibilities of the AI. You might find new ideas or interesting styles to incorporate into your own work. If you're ready to focus on your own creations, click on My Creations. This section is dedicated to showcasing all the images you've generated using the platform. It's a personalized gallery where you can track your progress and revisit your previous projects. Take a moment to browse through your collection. Once you've identified a piece that you'd like to remix, click on the image to select it. Now that you have your image selected, look for the Remix option. This is where the magic happens. The Remix feature allows you to tweak and refine your creations further. Before you proceed, consider if there are specific elements or prompts you want to modify. Ideogram gives you the flexibility to customize not only the style of your images, but also the underlying prompts that inspire the AI's interpretation. This could mean adjusting colors, enhancing textures, or even altering the conceptual basis of the image. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to click on that Remix button. This action prompts the AI to generate new versions based on your specifications. In just moments, you'll have a fresh set of images available to you. These remixed images will capture the essence of your original work while introducing a fresh perspective or variation. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to harness the power of Ideogram AI to create visually compelling variations of your artwork. Experiment with different styles, push the boundaries of your creativity, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.